Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to open a Revolut business account. It's going to be a very easy tutorial. Now to open one, you simply need to come here to revolut.com. You click on this business section, and as you can see, you're able to open an account. You just need to come here, click on this. Okay, let me explain to you some things. When you start the application, you need to fill out a form. It'll actually give you a application form. Okay, and you just have to complete the online application form, and with your personal and business details. So you start giving details, for example, where you're based. So let's say we are in the United Kingdom, right? Go ahead and click on continue, and then you just need to fill out more details, right? You need to, of course, wait for approval as well. So whatever you're doing, right, you'll need to actually have a fully, so look, Revolut Business is not available for Freelancer. So what you need is a business that actually has a fully incorporation and an active company registered in an eligible country. So for example, if I show you a public limited company or private limited company, these will be available, things like these. And there are different supported industries. It doesn't generally support businesses operating in certain industry like gambling or adult entertainment. So go ahead and enter your email address and click on continue. They're going to offer you different accounts, including basic, there's grow, there's scale, and enterprise plans. So go ahead and sign up like that according to your needs. But otherwise, really that isn't simple. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to Sasha Gamar, and I'll see you in the next.